Hey guys, how are you? It's Dindy and welcome to a new video.
Yo!
Today I got a special guest who is going to dye my hair because apparently I just don't know how to do it. I thought I was a professional, but I'm not.
Nope, she's not.
So I thought maybe it's better that I let someone else do my hair for once because maybe it's gonna turn out good this time. My beautiful boyfriend Leslie is going to dye my hair today. Have you ever dyed someone's hair?
Nope.
Have you ever seen a tutorial of how to dye hair?
Your tutorials, but...
So
yeah.
You have absolutely no idea how this works.
I think I need to use this one.
Honestly, I still trust you more than I trust myself.
I completely understand.
So, let's get started with the dye.
Okay.
So we've got a whole box of hair supplies over here. I even got my bleach, which I hope we are not going to have to use today, because I don't think my hair is gonna be able to take it. Also, I got an example of the color that I want to have my hair. So maybe I thought it would be easier for you if you know what I exactly want to have. So I got a beautiful...
That's definitely a different color.
This was the color that I was going for. What the hell? This is such a gorgeous color. So yeah, this is the color that I want to have my hair to be. So, good luck.
Yeah, thanks. Do you have like a hair dye in this color?
No. Oh yeah, that's also the thing. I don't have any hair dye in this specific color. So you're gonna have to mix a few different hair dyes.
I'm gonna have to mix a few different hair dyes.
Well, yeah, you're the hairdresser today, so you're gonna have to mix it up and get this exact same color.
I need to use this, right?
Yeah, you don't even... You're asking me if you need to use a mixing bowl. So, since Leslie actually does care about social hygiene, unlike me, I have a pair of gloves for you.
Great, thanks. That's the one thing I did learn from your videos. Always wear gloves.
Yeah.
You know what this is?
I have no idea what that is. Oh, you... So you can grab a few colors in here that you think are gonna work and then you can mix them up.
Alright, I think this one's gonna work. Blood Moon. It's like dark red. Do you have orange?
I have way too much orange hair dye. That's why my hair turned this color.
I think if you're gonna mix this with orange and maybe a little bit of purple in it,
Okay,
then it's gonna work out. I hope. This is a nice color. If you mix this with this and maybe some orange, I think that will work. Right?
Look, the thing is, you're the hairdresser. You can do whatever you want as long as it turns out exactly how I want it to be. Because otherwise, I will fight you.
There's no pressure at all, right?
No. Honestly, that color looks really good. Okay, Pablo.
Hey Pablo,
What do you think of the color?
do you like it? Don't you think this is a little bit dangerous? Pretty the color you want to go for, right?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Damn!
Damn, Daniel.
That is almost an exact match. What? How are you so good in it? What?
This is the point of no return. Can you not tilt your head like that?
Okay, sorry.
Stop moving.
I just can't. I can't stay still.
How is this? Oops. It's on your forehead now.
I don't know, that's like part of my aesthetic, so it's fine.
I think it is the color that you're going for.
Sick,
like
bro!
So,
Sick! Ya-la-la, 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 ya-la-la-la-la.
la 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 la.
Ya-la-la, da-da-da-da. Ay, ay. Oh, love you.
Okay, please stop moving.
Oh, okay, sorry. I was just expressing my love for you.
Oh, forgot a piece. What are you laughing at?
I'm just laughing at how you are exactly like me when I'm dyeing my hair. Just dyeing it and making random noises all the time. I think we hang out too much.
Okay. Yeah. It is actually really satisfying to do.
I know. That's the thing. Like dyeing your own hair is so much fun to do, or like dyeing hair in general. It's so much fun to do. I also really want to dye other people's hair, but nobody trusts me, and I don't know why.
You don't know why? Are you having fun?
No, actually, I'm not having fun at all. I'm very jealous of you right now.
What are you thinking right now?
I'm thinking this is always taking way too long and I just really want to do it myself. You're being too precise and I'm too chaotic for this. This all makes me feel very uncomfortable.
I'm done with the roots.
Perfect!
Just do it like this. So.
How is that hair all over my arm?
I don't know.
What did you do?
I don't know.
What did you do?
I don't know.
I want to do it as well. I'm sorry, I just can't take it anymore. I need to dye a little bit of my own hair.
Alright.
I just need to do it.
Yeah, you can.
Oh my god. This is what I've been waiting for. My strange addiction.
Hoppa.
This is way more fun, right?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, I'm having the best time ever.
Can I do it like this?
Do whatever you want, baby. It's your day. I'm gonna be honest, it's starting to look very red and not orange right now. And not copper. If you look at my hands, those are bright red.
Yeah. It does. Maybe I'm not that good at blending colors.
I literally just got so excited and now my mood is ruined again. He dropped it in the bowl. Oh my god.
Yeah, I think this is gonna turn out pretty red.
Oh fucking hell, I don't want to have red hair. I don't like red hair right now.
You can always take it out, right?
You can always take it out. How am I gonna take red dye out of my hair?
Oh, just...
That's like one of the most difficult colors ever to get out of your hair.
Just buy some color remover.
I'm triggered. I'm just gonna let it sit in my hair now and cry again, maybe? I don't know. I was so excited once you mixed it all up because it looks almost the exact same color as the wig.
I don't care, it's not my hair.
Yo, don't be rude. Okay, I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for a certain amount of time that I do not know yet, and then we'll be back to show you guys the end result.
Ta-da!
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 It does look, I feel like it looks way more orange on camera than it does in real life. If you could look at it.
Looks brighter on camera than it does in real life.
But it is very red, right? This is not ginger. This is not copper.
No.
This is just straight up red. Pink, also
Yeah.
some parts.
Yeah.
And here I have like an orange spot. Can you see it here?
Yeah.
That's like the color that I wanted to have my hair.
Well, then I did one good job.
Wait, let me get a mirror. Ah! Look. I just don't know what to do right now. I really don't.
Well, I think I did a better job than you did in your last video, so
I mean,
kudos for me.
I know for sure that you did a way better job than I did, like way better. So yeah, this was today's video. I think I'm just gonna stop right now, okay? I'm gonna stop.
Okay.
right now, but once I turn the camera off, I probably am going to continue. I want to say I think you did an amazing job. I do, however, prefer it to do it myself.
Yeah, I understood that.
Because you just have like too much Zen energy. Like I am way too chaotic for that. So,
This is it?
this is the end result. Did you have fun?
I had fun,
Did
yeah.
you have a great time?
I did.
Do you want to do this more often?
No.
I'm happy about that. 'Cause you're not allowed to.
No, it's only to protect you from your inner stress.
Yeah, thank you. So yeah, thank you all so
Alright.
much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
Doei.
Doei. That doesn't work. What a mess behind me. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see it. Can you still see it? Maybe I should clean my house for once. So yeah, everybody, it is the next day, also known as day 12 of self-quarantine. Slowly dying, but it's okay. And my hair is finally the color that I wanted. Woo! So yesterday my hair was still very red. I mean, you couldn't really see it on camera, but in real life it definitely was like red and pink. For some reason, I mean, my hair just never does what I wanted to do, so okay. So what I ended up doing was I just put some clarifying shampoo in my hair and I left it in there for about 30 minutes and rinsed it out, and then my hair suddenly became the color that I wanted it to be. And I also added some yellow hair dye on the pieces that were very red and pink to make them orange as well, and now my hair is so cute. Just look at it. Just look how cute my hair is. So yeah, the thing that I learned from this video is that I probably should let my boyfriend dye my hair from now on. I mean, he had zero experience and still did a better job than I've ever done. So I don't know if that makes me happy or just question my entire life. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And by the way, this is an extra video because I feel like a lot of you are bored out of your mind right now, being stuck at home. So there will also be a video on Thursday. So 2 videos this week. I hope you like it. I hope I'm not boring you, and I also hope that you're not gonna get tired of me because that would break my heart. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok, and my YouTube channel if you don't follow me here yet. And I really hope to see you in my next video, which will be on Thursday. Still need to figure out what I'm going to film though, but that's my problem, not yours. Okay, bye!